Magandang buhay everyone, I am Brian C. Declaro from the group The Apostles, and I will explain the problem number 4. Two identical small insulating balls are suspended by separate 0.25 meter threads that are attached to a common point on the ceiling. Each ball has a mass of 2 times 10 raised to negative 3 kilograms. Initially, the balls are uncharged and hang straight down. They are then given identical positive charges and as a result, spread apart with an angle 36 degrees between the threads. Determine A, the charge on each ball, and B, the tension in the threads. First is kinuha ko muna po yung base angle ng triangle. Para mas madali pong makuha, hinati ko po sa dalawa at makaform po tayo ng right triangle. So meron na po tayo 18 degree tapos yung 90 degree sa right angle. 90 plus 18 equals to 108. So 72 na lang yung kulang para maging 108. Para maging 180. So yung base angle na po natin is 72 degree each side kasi isosceles triangle naman po siya. So next po yung distance between two balls. Gagamit po tayo ng sine law para makuha po yon. So x over sine 36 equals to 0.25 meters all over sine 72. Multiply each side by sine 36, magiging x equal to 0.25 meters multiplied by sine 36 all over sine 72 equals to 0.15 meters. So, gagawa na po tayo ng free body diagram ng isa dyan po. So kaliwa po yung kukunin natin, gagawa natin para mas dali natin makita yung force. So yung electric force po na nasa negative x-axis, tas yung weight naman po na nasa negative y-axis, tas yung tension naman po nasa quadrant 1. Uunahin ko na po yung y. So 0 equals to negative w plus t sine 72. Tapos lipat ko lang po yung w sa kabila, tapos divide each side ng sine 72. So t equals to w over sine 72. Next naman po is yung x. So 0 equal to t cosine 72 minus fe. Tapos substitute lang po yung nakuha nating value ng t sa y. So maging 0 equals to w sine 72 multiplied by cosine 72 minus fe. Tapos po, gagamit po tayo ng trigonometric identity sa cosine 72 over sine 72, which is equal po sa 1 over tangent 72. Magiging 0 equals to w tangent 72 minus fe. Tapos lipat ko lang po yung fe sa kabila, tapos multiply each side by tangent 72. Tapos po, papalitan ko po yung w ng mg or yung mass multiply by acceleration due to gravity. Tapos yung fe naman po na kq squared over r squared. Tapos multiply po sa tangent 72. Tapos po, ang hinihingi po ng question is yung charge ng ball. So isolate po natin yung q. So magiging q squared equals to mg r squared over k tangent 72. Tapos square root po natin each side. Magiging q equals to r square root of mg over k tangent 72. Tapos plug in lang po natin yung mga available na value. So q equals to 0.15 meters square root of 2 times 10 raised to negative 3 kilograms multiplied by 9.8 meter per second squared. Tapos tapos over 9 times 10 raised to 9 nm squared over c squared multiplied by tangent 72. So, cancel lang po natin yung meter sa labas tsaka dun po sa denominator. Tapos po yung kg tapos meter per second square is newton lang din po yun. So cancel natin yung n. So matitira na lang po yung c squared. Tapos pagka pinalagay nyo po sa calculator, magiging sagot is 1.26178,703 or 1.26 times 10 raised to negative 7 coulombs. Tapos po, kunin naman po natin next na hinihingi is yung tension. So, dun po tayo sa y. So, palitan po natin yung value ni w ng mg din. So, magiging t equals to 2 times 10 raised to negative 3 kilograms times 9.8 meter per second squared all over sine 72. Magiging sagot po is t equals to 0.02 newton. So, yun na po yung final answer. Thank you.